that shit, nigga. Huh? Y dot 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 J dot 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 and KT's the baby. I forgot the H. Y dot J dot H. How? KT's the baby in this motherfucking thing, though. Y'all know me, I keep it Skittles like a rainbow. Everybody know I rock with all different colors, so that gang shit don't fly with me. Keep it on the low low. I'm smash on you. I'll cash out on you. Rob you cash out your ass and then spaz on you. That don't give a matter, don't give a fuck about you. I ain't future, so don't say my name, no problem, unless you say my name. KT's baby, I ain't Lil Wayne, so don't go too crazy unless you're a hoe. I love that. Say my name over and over like you a rollback. I mean a replay. Yes, bitch, I'm over here. You can call me Young Sire. Bitch, I'm a king, I'm on top. I don't give a fuck about you. The heart will never stop. I'ma keep on hopping on every track until I breathe. Breed these bitches until it turn Chinese. I mix breed, create a new breed. I call it devastation. I overdid this shit. I took over the nation. On my Scarface shit. Straight up, everybody know Tony Montana gotcha. Everybody know me, KT in the boat. Nigga, what it do? Murder all she wrote. I'm sad on you straight up. Take your cash from me straight up. Nigga, I do things you ain't know straight up. I am a G, don't ever side me. I'm not rich, homie, Quan. The difference between you and me is I'm a real nigga running with Young Juice, Young Juice, Young Juice. And a nigga act a fucking fool like I ain't never graduated from high school. Cause I rolled too many fucking blunts. I got too much stress going throughout the month. My teachers cause me problems, they fucking crackers. And I don't give a fuck about it, you can call me racist. Cause I do what I want. I do things that your bitches know you don't. If you know that she calling me, she know that she texting me. She all the way in Tampa and that bitch is still texting me, telling me to come see her, cause you ain't doing your job and you need to get yourself right. KT to beat the girl pussy up and knock out her light. Have her looking at these pretty brown eyes. Now she like, throw some cash on me straight up. With the ass on me straight up. Do the thing on her straight up. And everybody straight up with me, dog. Cause I always keep it G. Like Rich Homie Quan. The difference is you and me. It's cool.
That was nasty, Judy.
KT's the baby. Young Juice. Hope.